Cinematic visuals become memorable when depth and atmosphere work together seamlessly. Today, how to explore atmospheric depth frame systems. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 square canvas. Begin with a dark charcoal background and apply a radial gradient behind the center area. Insert a wide rectangular frame and upload your primary image. Adjust the crop carefully so the focal subject immediately stands out. Duplicate the frame several times and place the copies behind the original. Increase the size of each duplicate slightly while lowering transparency progressively to create realistic depth. Add a smaller supporting frame overlapping one